It was on Friday the 13th in April of 2012 when the first tornado struck a chaser's vehicle. And that was only the beginning of this nightmare.
Oh God. That is a rain-wrapped tornado heading... Oh Jesus Christ, that's a tornado. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh man, that's a tornado. It's right there. Stuck. Oh Jesus. Oh fuck.
To the north and to the west of the driver, giant destructive hail was falling. To the east, muddy roads dead-ended into mountains, and to the south, a ghostly tornado materialized. He was boxed in like a turtle's pecker.
There it is. That's a giant tornado, and it might be coming right this way. There it comes. There's a tornado right there, and there's giant hail. What have I done? There it is, right there. There's a rain-wrapped tornado. Holy hell. Oh my God.
The driver turned around to assess the situation and calculated that the tornado would safely continue its northern trajectory.
All right. Excuse me, friend. I'm gonna have to slip by you right here and videotape a tornado. Uh-oh. There it is. That is a pretty big tornado. It's totally rain wrapped. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. Oh God, it's coming. Oh God, it's coming. Go! Get. It's coming. Oh God, it's coming right on top of me! It's coming right on top of me! I'm escaping the tornado. It's right next to me. Holy... Oh my God, it's right next to me. I'm inside the... Oh God, here we go. This is the tornado. Oh God. Oh God, help me. Help. Oh my God, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. I don't know what to do. Except die.
After being struck by the outer bands of the tornado, the driver again turned around to assess the situation. And that's when the unthinkable manifests.
There it is. It's right in there, the giant tornado. Oh my God. Hang on. Giant tornado right next to me. Right in there. Holy God. Holy God. Oh my God. Oh, it's sucking. It's sucking. Oh my God. There's a giant tornado. Oh my God, it's sucking. Holy f***. It's coming right for me. Oh my God, it's a mile long. You can't, oh Jesus Christ, get out of the way, people. We are all gonna die. Get out of the way.